Hello friend, today I show you how to use substratum theme engine. Let's start this. First open substratum. You see I am installed many themes. Now try some of these. I use align first. Now I change the navigation bar. You see my navigation bar is like pixel, but now I change this build and enable. You see my navigation bar is completely changed, and now I change the phone dialer, etc. This, you see my phone dialer, but now I change this build and enable. The theme is applied. You see my phone dialer is changed. Now I use another theme. Now I use ethereal theme for notification tile. Now I change the status bar tile icon. So I choose system UI tile icon and build and enable. You see my tile icon is completely changed. There are many themes for substratum. There are many customization you can do with substratum theme engine. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel and share my video. Thank you friend for watching my video.